As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Weber Spirit E-310. Let's dive into the specs.
Sounds good. First impressions? The ChuMaste is significantly cheaper, right?
Absolutely. The ChuMaste is around $169, while the Weber Spirit E-310 is about $450. Huge price difference.
Yeah, big jump. So what are we getting for that extra money with the Weber?
Well, the Weber is heavier, at 98 pounds, compared to the ChuMaste's 52 pounds. It's also slightly larger overall. Dimensions-wise, the Weber is deeper and wider, but the ChuMaste is slightly taller.
Okay, so it's a more substantial grill. What about cooking space?
The ChuMaste actually has a slightly larger cooking surface, 464.8 square inches versus the Weber's 360. But the Weber boasts porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known for even heat distribution and being easier to clean. The ChuMaste just says stainless steel burners.
That grate material is a big deal for even cooking. And what about power?
Both are 3-burner grills. The ChuMaste outputs 30,000 BTUs, while the Weber is at 19,000 BTUs. So on paper, the ChuMaste heats up faster.
Interesting. But BTU isn't everything. What about features?
The Weber has a 10-year limited warranty, which is a definite plus. It also has the WeberWorks system for adding accessories. It also has flavorizer bars, which vaporize drippings for better flavor and reduce flare-ups. The ChuMaste has foldable side tables and wheels for portability.
So the Weber is focused on quality and features. What about customer reviews?
The ChuMaste has more reviews with a 4.1 star rating from 67 reviews. Some mention build quality issues. The Weber is newer, with only 5 reviews and a 3.8 star rating. One review mentions misleading instructions.
Okay, that's something to consider. So essentially, the ChuMaste is a budget-friendly option, while the Weber offers better build quality, warranty, and features, but at a much higher price. It really depends on your budget and what you prioritize.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.